Hello friends, welcome to my study channel Math Learning. Today we will do an activity of fraction. For that you have to draw the counters like this, or you can choose strips also. If you have strips of different colors, then you can use it, right? And here I have taken first strip, and you know that this is a whole number, right? It is a single strip with no parts, right? So we can say that it is a whole. So we will write as 1. Then in second strip, as you can see that it is divided into equal parts, and one part is filled with yellow color, right? And as it is half, so how can we write half of 1? So we can write as 1 half, right? And the next strip is divided in 3 equal parts, so we can write the fraction as 1 upon 3 for each of the part. Then after, in fourth strip with green color, as you can see that there are 4 parts. So how can we write fourth part of whole? So we know that we can write in fraction form 1 upon 4. Likewise, we will do the same for fifth strip, and it is divided into 5 equal parts, and we can write fifth part of the strip as 1 upon 5. You can do with colors using sketch pens, right? So you can draw this all strips on the paper, or you can directly take strips of different color. Here I have denoted each of the part, like in fifth strip I have divided into 5 equal parts, so I have written 1/5, then 1/6, then 1/7, 1/8 and 1/9. So you can write in this way. Now you are aware about how to represent a particular part of whole, right? Because the fraction is actually a part of whole. Let's understand this fraction with different figures. Here I have one frame with 10 equal parts. So first you can take a strip, or you can draw this on the paper, then make 10 equal parts like this, and now you can color it. Now count how many color parts are there. Yes, there are 3 colored parts, and total parts are 10. So how can you represent it in fraction form? So we write 3 as numerator and 10 as denominator. Then I am taking another frame, and now I take total 8 parts. See, we are taking different frames, okay? So it is easy to understand. Now I have filled 4 boxes out of 8. So how can we write in fraction form? So we can write 4 colored parts as numerator and total parts as denominator. So 4 upon 8. Then 4 and 8 will come in 2's table. So we can cut like this: 4 ones are 4 and 4 twos are 8 is equal to 1 upon 2. So we can say that 1/2 is the simplest form of 4 upon 8. Now we take another example. Now we are choosing 5 equal parts, and here whatever you want to color the parts, for example if you want to color 2 parts then you can, but you should able to write this color part and total parts in fraction form, right? Here I have colored 2 parts, right? And therefore I have written as 2 upon 5 because total parts are 5. Now I have taken one circle, and you can divide this circle this way, so you can have 5 equal parts, and I have filled these 3 parts. You can choose any color whatever you like. And how to represent in this fraction part? So we can write as 3 upon 5 because colored parts are 3 and total parts are 5. So it is 3 upon 5. If you want to take directly a circle from chart paper, then you can cut a circle directly from chart paper, right? And then after you can perform this activity. Now I'm going to take one more example. If you choose any of the shape like rectangle, square, circle, then you can take. Here I have taken a circle again, and now total parts are 12. Out of 6 parts are colored with green color, right? And how can we write the fraction? So we can write as 6 upon 12, and 6 ones are 6 and 6 twos are 12. So we can write in the simplest form 1 upon 2, right? I hope you understand all these fractions. You can choose the shape rectangle, square, circle, and you can divide it into equal parts, and you can also write the fraction like this. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this activity. Bye bye friends.